In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail phone number using your mobile device. A phone number linked to your Gmail account is important for security and recovery purposes. If you have a new number or want to update it for any reason, it's easy to do. To get started, locate and open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will display all of your currently logged in Gmail accounts. Make sure you select the Gmail account for which you want to change the associated phone number. Next, tap on Manage your Google account, located under your selected Gmail address. This action will take you directly into the settings for that specific Google account. Now, swipe through the options at the top until you find Security. Tap on it. In this section, scroll down until you see a section labeled, How you sign in to Google. Within this section, look for an option called, Recovery Phone. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, you'll need to verify it's really you. You can either use your passkey or enter your password associated with this Google account. Once verified, you'll see your current phone number linked to this Gmail account. To make changes, tap on the pencil icon next to it. Now it's time to enter your new phone number. After typing in your updated number, don't forget to tap Update at the bottom right corner of your screen. After updating, a verification code will be sent to your new phone number. Check your messages for that code. Simply type that code into the provided field on screen. Once entered correctly, voila, your Gmail phone number has been successfully updated. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process for changing your Gmail phone number directly from your mobile device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.